Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do it. Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey, get out of here! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to? Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey, I brought you home. I brought you home toys and a skateboard. Quit, Preston. No. Why? Hey, you're acting like a cracked chicken. You're acting like a. I'm not running from you. You're acting like a cracked chicken. That's it. Highest bidder gets you tonight. Highest bidder gets you tonight. You're out of here. You're out of here. I can't stand you tonight.